Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about contact lens care, including how to put them in, how to take them out, how to properly clean them, and how to store them. Let's get into it. These are fresh look color blend contact lenses. The box indicates the prescription of the lens, in this case Plano 0. The color and expiry dates are also indicated. Here is the lens case for storage and the contact lens solution. Wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Here are the lenses. Peel the lid off, pour the lens and solution into your other palm and rub it in a circular motion. Pick up the lens with your index or middle finger, ensuring it's in a cone shape and not flat on top of your finger. Look down and pull your lower eyelid down, upper eyelid up, and place the lens on the white part of your eye known as the sclera. Blink until it covers the cornea. People may experience different symptoms at this point, such as redness or irritation. To remove your contact lenses, pull the lower lid down, the upper eyelid up. Look towards your nose, drag the lens to the sclera and pinch it off. Store the contact lens in the lens case with the solution after using it.